How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, if you're trying to find some really unique and useful features to get most out of your Samsung device, then you have clicked on a right video. Today, I will be showing you 5 deep hidden features that will definitely make you a pro Samsung user. With that being said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First, let me show you how you can simplify the process of accessing split screen window in your Samsung device. Guys, whenever you want to open multiple apps in a split screen view, first you need to open the recent apps menu, then tap on the app icon, select the option that says open in split screen view, and then you have to choose the other app you would like to open. It's a pretty long process and it consumes a bit of your time. But instead of doing all this, what I can do is, I can simply long press on the recent button and it quickly opens the split screen window. To activate this feature, you will need a good lock module called Multi-Star. So if you haven't already, then head over to the Galaxy Store and install the good lock application. Once done, simply open good lock and download this module called Multi-Star. Now go inside Multi-Star and enable this option that says quick launch of the multi-window. You can either assign this shortcut to open split screen view or even open the pop-up window. Let's say if I select open in pop-up view, now if I long press on the recent button, it opens that application in a pop-up window like this. I think it's a very useful shortcut and this will definitely enhance your multitasking experience. Since we are talking about Multi-Star module, there is another useful option which removes the blur effect while adjusting the split screen window. With One UI 4.1, Samsung added this blur effect transition when you adjust the split screen, and if you really want to completely remove this blur transition, you can easily do that by enabling this option in Multi-Star. Once done, now whenever you try to adjust the screen, you can see there is no blur effect and it looks really nice. Let's say you are playing games or watching a movie on your phone and you don't want to receive messages on WhatsApp just for a while. In such situations, if you turn off the internet access, then your entire phone will become useless for other apps as well. So what you can do is, you can shut off internet access only for WhatsApp. Go into your phone settings and search for background usage. Here you will find something called as background usage limit. Just go inside and add WhatsApp to the deep sleeping apps. Once done, WhatsApp will stop looking for any incoming messages, and this way you can shut off internet access to WhatsApp for a while. Did you know you can set up a swipe gesture to open all your widgets in one place? Now you can keep your home screen clean and less cluttery. You don't have to apply any widgets. Instead, what you can do is you can install this module called One Hand Operations. Once you download, simply turn it on and then choose which handle you want to access the widgets from. Here you can select the gesture, and from the list of all the actions, you need to select widgets pop-up. That's it. Now if you go back and swipe right, here you can touch and hold to add all your widgets. Basically you get access to all the widgets that is on your phone, and the best part is you can easily access all these widgets from anywhere on your screen. Next, if you're using a Samsung phone that has a curved display like this, then you must install a good lock module called HTouch. This basically prevents accidental touches by setting restrictions on the edges of your screen. You just need to install and open up this module. Here you need to block that specific zone to prevent accidental touches. You can even set up this module for the landscape mode as well. Once done, simply give a name and save it. Once you have enabled this feature, this is gonna prevent accidental touches on the edges of your screen. Definitely install this module. I'm sure you will find it extremely useful. So that's it for this video. These are some amazing tips, tricks and hidden features that will definitely enhance your Samsung using experience. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite feature, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.